Before we start this video, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to the two people I'm collabing with for this, Alicia from Murrayed Life and Clarissa from Thriving Thrifters. Thank you so much for including me in this, and let's roll that intro and get right into this video. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on just eBay these days because Poshmark is dead, but that's a video for another day. In this one, like I said in the intro, I am doing a collab with Alicia and Clarissa. I will leave links to both of their videos down in the description below. Please go watch them and subscribe if you haven't already because they both put out amazing content. But anyways, in this video, we are all unboxing a 15-piece jewelry rescue box from ThredUp. I have ordered now 3 of these boxes. This is the first one I am opening on camera. The other 2 are sitting in front of me in my living room and I just haven't gotten around to them yet. I don't have much experience with jewelry other than this unboxing from a friend of mine who was offloading all of his wife's jewelry. I paid $20 for a whole padded flat rate envelope full of jewelry, and in there happened to be a vintage Tiffany's necklace that I sold for over $100. So I was really happy with that, but otherwise my experience is minimal. From watching so many of Clarissa's jewelry unboxings, I do have a couple tools with me for this video. I have a ring sizer, a loop, and a tiny little magnet that is definitely not as cool as the one that Clarissa and John use, but you know, here we go. So like I said, never opened one of these before, so I don't know. We're not really doing a battle of the boxes or anything. I think we just want to see, you know, what each other gets in their box. Mine is coming from Phoenix, Arizona. I already opened it. I haven't done anything else other than take the sticker off the paper, and everything is in this nice and neat little Ziploc bag. So we'll see. Again, 15 pieces. My camera hasn't been doing the best lately, so we'll see how the focusing goes, but let's get right into these jewelry pieces. All right, so right off the bat, I do see a little Kate Spade bag in here, so we're gonna go to this one first. I'm really just impressed with how well this is packaged. So it does include the little dust bag. I don't know if it's called a dust bag when it's jewelry, but I don't know. And in here is a gold bangle that does have some stones in it. Let me see if my camera will focus on it for you. It might not. Here is the bangle. See the little stones. Again, I'm sorry about my camera. I do apologize. I don't know what the deal is with this. It does look like it opens. It has a tiny little thing here, but I can't get my nail in there to pry it open. But it does have a hinge, so we'll have to see how that size works because I don't know if it'll fit on my wrist. It definitely wouldn't fit over my hand first, so it does need to open to get on at least my wrist. Next we have a little bag from White House Black Market. If you didn't know, don't use stock photos for White House Black Market. They will come for you. This is new with tags. It says $75 on here. It's got some little dangly beads here and a velvet choker. So I think it goes like this. I'm gonna try and show you this way because my camera doesn't want to focus correctly. Again, I apologize. I have to get that fixed. But anyways, so it's a choker, but it is a double layer. So black, it is like a stainless steel, so it's a darker gray metal, and then these little dangling charms have a blue stone on the bottom. So new with tags, $75. Happy with that. We have another bubble wrapped item. This is the same bangle as this gold Kate Spade, just the silver tone one, exactly the same. So I might actually list those both together and then sell them both with this little bag. Now we have some chunky chain looking piece. Okay, this says Loft, so Ann Taylor Loft. It is gold tone with some enamel in blue. Next we have this one. It is got green stones that also says Loft on the charm. This one's pretty. I really like this one because I love green. So it has like a teardrop shaped stone with green. Ooh, this one says Betsy Johnson. It looks like a little critter of some kind, so we'll see. She usually has a lot of fun pieces. Oh, it's a crab. So like I said, Betsy Johnson, and it's a crab necklace. I will try to show you this one up close if I can. His body is like an agate, if you can see that, and he's very blinged out. I love him. He's so cute. It does say XO Betsy on the back of the crab. Really excited about this one. Okay, we have some gold tone here. It looks like a lock and a key. This one says Ann Taylor, not Loft, just Ann Taylor. And like I said, a little skeleton type key and a lock on a long gold chain. This one has some coral. Coral! All right, I saw something on one of these. These are earrings. They're very intense. So here is the earring. They're very long. Can't find the stud for the other one. Here it is. Okay, these are J. Crew. These are really pretty. I'm assuming someone will love these. I don't wear jewelry, so it won't be me. Now we have a ring. It's a snake ring.
I'm a slithery little snaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake.
Gold tone. Let me see. There is a little marking on here. Okay, so the marking says 925, but it is gold tone, so I don't know if it's just gold plated. It doesn't have anything else on it that I can see. And it's a little snake ring. It looks like it sits about 7.5 on the ring sizer. So yeah, I don't know who makes it, but it's pretty, and 925, so that's exciting. Looks like a bracelet. It might be Lucky Brand. I thought I saw a little clover, but that could have just been one of the charms. All right, so the charm on the end is a little clover, and then it has a turquoise bead, but I don't see anything on it that would indicate the brand. If you can see that, it's a tiny little clover. So this is a bracelet. It is like brass toned with 1 brass charm and 2 silver charms. Let's see if I can show them to you. There we go. This looks like a silver necklace, and this says something on the back. Anne Klein. Yep, definitely Anne Klein. It's got the little lion charm here, and this is a 3-tier pearl number. We have some more color in here. I love the colored pieces. This doesn't feel good though. It just feels kind of cheapy. But it is J. Crew, so maybe it's better than I thought. Here is a close-up of this necklace. Nice little statement necklace. Can you hear it? It kind of sounds very cheap, but I mean, J. Crew jewelry usually does pretty well for me when I get it in the fun boxes. A couple more pieces. This one is also J. Crew. It's kind of what I expected to be a lot of J. Crew. And this one is another necklace. It does have these interesting stones. They're kind of like opaque and translucent. I thought they were really cool. Gold tone as well. Okay, we got a pair of earrings. These don't appear to say anything on them. They are just stud earrings and gold tone again. And they have a circle and then a little spear coming out of it, if you will. And last but not least, we have a bracelet. This one will definitely fit on my wrist. Let me just see if I can. It says C+I, so I don't quite know what that is. I will have to do some research. If you know, please feel free to leave it in the comments. It is one of those like pull apart ones that you can just adjust when you put it on your wrist. So here is a close-up. It's pretty, I like it. Again, I don't know who C and I is, so I will look that up. But yeah, this is really cute. So this is one. Then we have these little gold tone earrings, that's 2. This potentially lucky brand bracelet is 3. Mr. Krabby Patty is 4. The Incline Pearls is 5. J. Crew statement necklace is 6. This translucent J. Crew necklace is 7. This Loft enamelware is 8. I forget what this one is already. This one's Loft as well with the green stones, 9. The snake ring is 10. This J. Crew lock and key is 11. The J. Crew earrings, that's 12. This White House Black Market choker is 13, and then 14, 15 for the 2 Kate Spade bangles. And that's everything, so exactly 15. I'm pretty happy with this for not really knowing much about jewelry. I love to learn new categories as I'm trying to expand and grow my business. This is pretty much perfect for me to learn. They're pretty inexpensive. Shipped to me, I think it's like $57 and change, so almost $58. And that's just because I haven't bought enough on ThredUp yet to get free shipping over, I think it's like $29 versus $59, which is where I'm at right now. So in the future, hopefully if I buy enough boxes, maybe I will get free shipping on this. But yeah, I think my favorite piece is for sure the crab, just because that little agate in the middle for his body is just really cool. So that's my favorite one. Let me know what your favorite one is in the comments below. And then go over to Alicia and Clarissa's videos. I think they're gonna be staggered a little bit from mine. I think mine's gonna come out first, then Clarissa's, and then Alicia's. So if they're not available yet, they will be. They're all coming out on the same day. So you may just have to wait a half hour or so. But again, the links to both will be in the descriptions below. and let us know what you thought. Let us know who you thought got the best items. This one came from Phoenix, like I said. So yeah, I'm really happy with this box, and I definitely think I can make my money back. So I'm always happy when I can do that. But if you like this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.